Filing for guardianship and/or conservatorship, it's important to know different roles and responsibilities. The Minnesota Court's website has a nice help topics section that will give you some pointers for what to do. If you click on the help topics and scroll down to guardianship, it'll bring up a variety of tabs. It is important for the guardians to know that a background study is obviously needed every 2 years. Each year, you have to submit yearly documentation for what has happened to the warden that past year. The courts require that. The general guidelines to guardianship. Understanding that people still retain rights and what those rights are. Things a guardian can and can't do. Reportable events, recently these have changed in that all hospital visits must be reported to the interested parties. Preparing your reports to the court, that would be on an annual basis, and keeping track of those documents. And then again, notifying the courts of any big changes. Another area that's good to review are the duties for guardian. This pertains more to the annual reporting. So making sure you know the dates in which you were appointed. Every year within 30 days of that appointed date, you must submit an annual report. And then this discusses the annual reporting forms. It's important that you take those off the Minnesota Court's webpage every year, just in case any forms have changed. Once completed with those forms, you must serve copies to the interested party. And then any filing of the original or annual reporting packets within 30 days of the date as mentioned before. If somebody chooses to no longer be guardian, or if a guardian is removed, a successor guardian can be put in place by filing another petition that is altered to represent the new petitioner and person who will be taking over guardianship and/or conservatorship. That concludes this section.